Hey everyone! Did you know that a simple mistake while measuring electricity can damage your devices, or even put you at risk of electric shock? High voltage sign, don't worry, we're here to make sure that never happens. Ready to dive into the world of engineering? Let's get started. How a multimeter works. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of multimeters, essential tools for anyone working with electricity. A multimeter is a versatile device used to measure voltage, current, and resistance, making it invaluable for electricians, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts alike. We'll break down the different types of multimeters, how to use them effectively, and the key features to consider when choosing one. Understanding how a multimeter works not only enhances your skills but also ensures safety when working with electrical systems. Whether you're troubleshooting a circuit or testing a battery, mastering this tool can save you time and prevent costly mistakes. Join us as we uncover the mechanics behind multimeters, so you can tackle your electrical projects with confidence. Components of a multimeter. To use a multimeter effectively, it's crucial to understand its key components. 1. The display shows real-time readings of voltage, current, or resistance. 2. The dial allows you to select the measurement type and range for accurate readings. 3. The probes, typically red and black, these make contact with the circuit or component being tested. 4. The ports, where the probes connect, which may vary depending on the type of measurement. Familiarizing yourself with these components ensures efficient and safe operation. Once you understand the layout, you'll be able to take precise measurements with confidence. Different measurement modes. Multimeters offer several measurement modes, each designed for specific electrical values. 1. Voltage mode measures electrical potential difference. 1. Use AC voltage mode for household outlets and DC voltage mode for batteries. 2. Current mode measures the flow of electric charge, useful for diagnosing circuit issues. 2. For example, checking the current draw of a device. 3. Resistance mode measures how much a component resists electrical flow, ideal for testing resistors and circuit connections. To truly master these modes, practice switching between them in real-world applications. Hands-on experience will deepen your understanding and boost your confidence. Measuring voltage. To measure voltage with a multimeter. 1. Set the dial to the voltage mode, AC for outlets, DC for batteries. 2. Insert the black probe into the COM port and the red probe into the V-MA port. 3. Touch the black probe to the ground or negative terminal, and the red probe to the positive terminal. Warning sign, safety tip, always start with the highest voltage range if you're unsure about the circuit's voltage. Avoid touching the metal parts of the probes while measuring live circuits. Following these steps will help you measure voltage accurately and safely. Measuring current. Measuring current requires a different approach. 1. Set the multimeter to the appropriate current setting, AC or DC. 2. Insert the black probe into the COM port and the red probe into the correct current port, often labeled 10A or MA. 3. Unlike voltage, current must be measured in series. This means breaking the circuit and inserting the multimeter into the path of the current. Warning sign, caution, always power off the circuit before making connections, and be mindful of your multimeter's current rating to avoid damage. Measuring resistance. To measure resistance. 1. Set the dial to resistance mode, ohm symbol. 2. Insert the black probe into the COM port and the red probe into the V-MA port. 3. Touch the probes to both ends of the resistor or circuit component. Warning sign, Important, always measure resistance on a powered-off circuit to avoid inaccurate readings or potential damage to your multimeter. Resistance measurements help diagnose faulty components. A high reading may indicate a broken circuit, while a low reading could suggest a short. Mastering resistance measurements will improve your troubleshooting skills. Troubleshooting tips using a multimeter. A multimeter is an essential tool for diagnosing common electrical issues. Here's how you can use it effectively. 1. Checking power supply voltage. If a device isn't turning on, ensure it's receiving the correct voltage. 2. Testing resistors. Compare their measured resistance with their rated value. If there's a significant difference, the component may be faulty. 3. Checking diodes. Measure their forward and reverse bias to see if they're functioning properly. By regularly testing circuits, voltage levels, and component integrity, you can prevent before they happen. Your multimeter is a powerful tool. Use it to keep your electrical systems running smoothly. Final thoughts. In this video, we explored the essentials of using a multimeter. We covered its key components, the display, dial, probes, and ports, and discussed how to measure voltage, current, and resistance safely. Mastering these skills is essential for anyone working with electronics. Regular practice will improve your confidence and accuracy. That's all for today. Stay tuned to TechBlueprint for more clear and practical engineering content. See you in the next video.